Greetings. This is just a short, very short video, maybe 5 minutes, on how to manage sorting within SunPlus. Sorting, S-O-R-T-I-N-G. Okay, so to get us started, I have a sort of a summary report here that I'm going to run. Okay, what it is the ACE conferences uh, is going to be a report of the employee expenses by name. And the important point here is to notice the order: account code, description, name, and base amount. And we are very familiar with the idea that that will be the columns that this query produces. Okay, so just to show you what I mean, we will run it by that, and you get a picture of that. And so you'll see the first, you'll see each of our columns, and you'll see that they've sorted left to right. So first it sorts whatever's in the A column, then this is sort of irrelevant to it, but it would sort the B column if it were different. Then it sorts by the C column, and oddly enough, also, if you want to know, it'd be by the D column as well. Now let's suppose we wanted the column order. Okay, we wanted that column order. We liked it. We liked what it was doing. But instead of sorting in that order, we wanted to sort by the who. So let's open that up, and we come here, and we have a chance to override the default. So the default is the sort in the order in which they appear here, but we have this little gizmo right there that allows us to control the sort order. And so whatever I place up here, the order in which I place them will be the sort order. So I'm going to click that, and it's up there, and it's going to sort by name first. And I could bring up the second and third if I wanted to, but I'll just leave it just like this. This will work just fine. Okay, and we'll extract it, you see, and now we have all of the worker here, Jacobo's expenses sorted by this first, then by this, then by this, and then by that, whatever we have it. So here we have Roderick's all together and so forth. We overrode the summary report, so it's sorted by the third column. Well, that feature of sorting is also available for all of my drill downs. For example, if I want to drill down on this number, and I want to choose the elements of my drill down but sort it differently, I can click on the sorting order there and control it there. The same with expands. And so if I'm expanding and I want my column order to be one thing but sorted differently, that feature is right there, the sorting. And so to sort of to illustrate this, I'm not sure it's the greatest illustration in the world, but suppose I want this report here by department, okay? And I want my department listing in alphabetical order. Now, at first that sounds, well, why would I want that? Well, I want to pass them out through all my departments, and it's just easier to have it printed out alphabetically than it is by codes. The person walking around passing them out would want to pass them out alphabetically, and so we do the breakout, and we specify, and we want to break out this report by function here. Let's just do that. We do it by function, analysis code, and name of the function. And just before we don't mess this up, let me do this. We'll suppress the 0 rows. But now I want the breakout codes to be 1 and 2, but I want it sorted with the name, alphabetical name. Now, of course, I do realize that I could move that to the top and it would be sorted by that, but it would mess up my illustration. So you see that, and I've got the name, and I bring the name up like that, and so now the name is going to be the first sort order of the breakout, and we go like this, okay, and it runs, And let's see if this works. And you could see here we have them in alphabetical order instead of by their function code order. Okay, and there. And so I hope this helps. Now, one of the really cool things that I have learned is that when I'm doing a breakout, okay, sometimes it doesn't come up too much, but let's say I want to sort by something. Okay, you can bring an item over that you don't want on your report, but you want it to control the sorting. So you can come up here in the report style and remove the automatic formatting, and then go back to your report and hide the column so it's sorting on something that the users can't see. Occasionally, and even one time in the financial statements, I think I have that going on. And so that's the idea on sorting, and I hope you find that useful. Thank you.